Hello students, let's begin exercise 9.2 today. We are dealing chapter 9, profit and loss. What is marked price and what is discount? Marked price is just a tagged price. Whenever we go to the shop, we see on any article or anything, a price is printed over there. It is not necessary that the shopkeeper sell the item with that price only. He gives some discount. Sometimes there is discount written, 20% discount. So the marked price is just a tagged price and that is attached to the article, and we just say marked price in the short form MP. Okay, and what is this discount? Discount is the price deducted from the marked price. Okay, suppose 20% discount is written on any article, then marked price is written 500, then we will get that item not at the price of 500, but this 20% discount will be deducted from the marked price, and then shopkeeper sells that item. Okay, then we get the selling price. So selling price is marked price minus discount. Okay, and discount is what? Discount is the deducted price. The percentage, we just change that percentage into rupees, and that deducted price is called the discount. So discount percentage can be given or discount can be given in rupees also. Okay, so discount, if you know the discount, we can change the discount into percentage as discount by marked price into 100%. Okay students, so discount can be taken out by subtracting marked selling price from the marked price. This is the difference between the marked price and selling price, discount. And what is selling price? Selling price is just marked price minus discount. We just subtract discount from the marked price, and at that price only shopkeeper sells the item. And if you have to change this discount into percentage, then discount by marked price into 100. Always the marked price will be in the denominator. Okay. Now come to the exercise 9.2. Question number 1. A dealer marks a laptop for rupees 25,000. Marks a laptop means marked price. He means marked that laptop with this price. That is its marked price, and gives 10% discount on it. Okay, and this is the discount percentage. Find the selling price of the laptop. Question is simple. Marked price is given, discount percentage is given, but we have to change the discount percentage into rupees. 10% of this means what? 10% of marked price. Discount is equal to 10% of marked price. Whenever you have to change this percentage into rupees, we will multiply the discount with the marked price only, not with selling price. Okay, so marked price we know 25,000, 10 by 100 into 25,000, just cancel it out, we will get 2,500 is the discount. Now if you know the marked price, if you know the discount, we can find out the selling price. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. This is the marked price, this is the discount, and then subtract it, we will get this answer, selling price of the laptop. Because we know selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Here only I have discussed. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the discount and discount percent for a book whose marked price is given 125 and selling price is also given 100. And if you know the marked price, if you know the selling price, we can find out the discount by using the formula of discount. Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price, I have written here. Now 125 minus 100, we will get 25. 25 rupees is the discount. Now if you have to change this discount into discount percentage, then we will use this formula, discount by MP into 100. MP means marked price. We know the discount, that is 25, and we know the MP, that is 125 into 100. Just cancel it out, we will get here 100 by 5, then cancel out. 20% is the discount percentage, and 25 rupees, this percentage into rupees is 25, and as a percentage we can say 20%. Okay. Now question number 3 is saying the listed price. Students, marked price is also called as listed price also. Okay, so the listed price of a shirt was rupees 2,000. Under a festival offer, it is sold at rupees 18,000. Sold means it is the selling price. This is the marked price. You have to find the discount and discount percent. Just like question number 2, you can do this. You have to first find the discount by subtracting marked price and selling price. Marked price minus selling price. Then change this into percentage. You can do this. Just like question number 2. Question number 4. A sofa was sold for rupees this. Sold means this is the selling price. After giving 25% discount. Discount is given in percentage. Selling price is given. You have to find the listed price. Means we have to find out the marked price. Listed price means marked price. So just see it. Question number 4. Let listed price or marked price of sofa be X. And we know the discount is given 25%. So you can change this discount into rupees. Discount is equal to 25% of marked price. And marked price we have already let X. So 25 by 100 into X. If you will cancel it, we will get X by 4 is the discount. Now you know the selling price. Selling price is given 8,550. And we know the formula, selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. This is my marked price X. This is the discount which we have taken out X by 4, and this is the selling price given. Now just take the LCM of denominator 4x minus X. 3x by 4 we will get here. So we have to find out the value of X. So this 4 will go here and 3 will come down. Then we have cancelled it. Marked price X value we have got this. That is on the marked price which we have let already. X. Okay. Marked price only we had to take out. Question number 5. A carpenter bought a table for rupees 5,600 and marked its price 20% above the cost price. This line is very important. What means it's bought a table means carpenter bought a table means the cost price of the table because he bought it. So cost price for the carpenter is 5,600. And what is the marked price? Marked price is 20% above the cost price. Means whatever the cost price is this, its 20% above is the marked price. He then gave 10% discount. After that he gave 10% discount. Find the marked price of the table. It is also simple but only understand properly. Okay. Question number 5. Cost price of table is given 5,600. Marked price is given that 20% above the cost price. And cost price is this. So 20% of cost price. First of all we will find out what is 20% of cost price. It is 1,120. And we know marked price is 20% above the cost price means cost price plus this 20% which we have changed this into rupees. Added we have got the marked price. A answer we have got. Marked price is equal to cost price plus 20% above the cost. 20% above means this one. Okay. Now B is to find the discount. Okay. But discount percentage is given 10%. So we can find out discount. We can change this percentage into rupees. I have told you 10% of always MP not SP. Okay. Always multiply the discount percentage with marked price. So 10% of MP is equal to 10 by 100 into marked price. We will get 672 is discount. Okay. Next C number we have to find the selling price of the table. So selling price we know the formula. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. And marked price we have already taken out in A. And discount we have taken out in B. So marked price minus discount is equal to this. That is selling price. Next question D number is asking the profit percentage. Profit or loss percent. So if the selling price is this and cost price is this, which is greater? Selling price is greater than the cost price. So this is definitely a case of profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is this, CP is this. Subtract this, we will get 448. Now we will change this profit into profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100, cancel it out. We will get 56 by 7, that is 8% is the profit percent. Question number 5. A, B, C, D we have done. Now question number 6. A shopkeeper marks all his goods 20% above the cost price. Means shopkeeper is marking all the goods 20% above the cost price and then gave 5% discount on the marked price. Find his profit percent. Question number 6 is just like question number 5, students. But only the difference is question number 5, cost price is given. But in question number 6, cost price is not given. Okay, but saying that mark price is 20% above the cost price. So you will have to let cost price as X, and we have to find out the profit or profit percent as we have taken out in this question number 5. Let's see this. 6 number. Let the cost price of goods be X, because cost price is not given. Now 20% above the cost price. So first we will take out the 20% of X. Cost price means 20 by 100 into X, that is X by 5. Okay. Now marked price is equal to cost price plus this 20% above. So cost price is X and this 20% above is X by 5. Take the LCM. We will get 6X by 5 is the marked price. After getting the marked price, we know discount percentage is given in the question, that is 5%. We have to find out the discount. Discount is equal to 5% of MP. So 5% of always marked price. Okay. Marked price is this 6X by 5. Then 5 by 100 into marked price is 6X by 5. 5 will get cancelled. 6X by 100. This can also be get cancelled. 2 3 is 6. 250 is 100. 3X by 50 is the discount. If you know the discount, then we can find out the selling price. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Marked price is this, discount is this. You can see we have taken out. Okay, take the LCM, we will get 57X by 50. If you know the selling price and if we know the cost price, that is X, we can find out the profit, because in the question asking find out the profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is this, cost price we have let X, just subtract it, we will get LCM 50, we will get 7X by 50. Now change this profit into profit percentage. Profit by CP into 100. As I have told you, CP is always down to change the profit into profit percentage. So profit is 7X by 50 and cost price we have let as X. Okay, into 100. Now 7X by 50 and this X will go it is in divide, so it will come down only. X will get cancelled. Then 7 by 50 to 100. We can cancel out this. Then 7 to 14. 14% is the profit percent. This is the way you can solve question number 6. Now question number 7. If the marked price is given, selling price is given, you have to find the discount and discount percent. You can do this. Okay. Question number 8 is also very easy, students. So question number 7 and 8 is your homework. Question number 1 to 6 we have done. So we have completed chapter 9. Now your homework is question number 7 and 8 and also this practice time. Solve this practice time. Okay. Then we will start chapter 10 next day. Okay.